sa inyo guys yung mga napamili namin sa H&M at Primark. Mag-haul tayo guys from H&M and Primark. Actually today is Black Friday and most of the stores is having their 20% less. So ito yung mga napamili namin. Una, pinuntahan namin yung doon sa H&M. So guys, in H&M, ang mura sa H&M guys, I got most of the stuff there for only 1 euro. Pero hindi siya pang winter. At after, pagpunta mo sa cashier, may 20% pa yan. 1 euro siya at may 20% pa. So I paid in H&M for only 28. Yeah, 28 euros. Naka 20% siya guys. So ito, first, mga summer clothes siya guys at I was planning na ibigay ito sa Pilipinas kasi 1 euro lang siya. This one, no, it's actually 1.99. It's a t-shirt. This one first, for 1 euro 99. Ewan ko kung makikita nyo. And next is, random na to siya guys kung saan mabubunot ko lang. This one also, for 1 euro 99. That one. This, I got two for 99 cents. For 99 cents siya. Here, I get two. Ibibigay ko to sa kuan guys, sa Pilipinas. This one, 99 cents. Two of them, yeah, the other one also. This one, for 1 euro 99. Says there Brooklyn. I actually like this one. That one. And then, this one, it says here, believe in yourself for only also 99 cents. The other one more 99 cents. Here, raised by a unicorn. This one, awesome. And there's the last one for 1 euro 99. It says here, inspire me, let the adventure begin. That's it, 1.99. Ouch. That one. And then, here for the price of ito, 20% off din to siya. I think this is actually for Ella. It's 12 euro 99. Pero naka 20% off siya. Dalawa na siya guys. See? 2 for the price of 1. And then the last but not the least, ito. Jeans. Naka-sale siya ng 9 euro 99. 9 euro 99 na lang siya. So, ayun yung mga nabili namin sa H&M guys. Punta tayo sa Primark. Madalian to guys kasi madami-dami yung nabili namin sa Primark. First is this one. The bunny slipper for Ella. This one's cutie. It cost us, I think it's 8 euro. 8 euro. Yeah, it's 8 euros. So all we got in Primark guys ay mga winter stuff. Para panlamig kasi wala na kami enough time para pumunta sa ibang mga store. Actually papauwi na kami. Yung Ernstings family they are 50% off but they are already closing, so I was not able to get any stuff there. This is for mine. It's a winter pajama. Set na siya with long sleeve and pajama. It's for only 9 euro. 9 euros. And then here I got a unicorn pajama with the sleeve also. Extra small siya. This is actually for my stepdaughter, Vanessa. That one. Here, it's a unicorn also, but they are all crazy for unicorns. I don't know why. It's Ella's idea, getting all that unicorn stuff.
So, it's your idea. You get that too for Francine though.
This one, for Francine. Guys, ang nakuha ko lang sa Francine, I think 2 stuff lang. At sa Primark lang. Kasi hindi namin siya binili kasi may mga pang winter naman siya dyan and we are afraid na matutubuan lang niya guys. So, kaya hindi kami bumibili ng maraming damit for Francine. This one, Dream Like a Unicorn. 7 euros lang siya. And then, this one also, in Primark guys, nag-sale din sila. Even though cheap na sa Primark, nag-sale din sila guys. 7 euros. Unicorn, with a pajama na siya. Ito. Dalawa yung kinuha ko actually nito. this one, but it's too big for me. This one, the Coffee Monster. But it's really big guys for me. Ang pajama malaki, kaya ibibigay ko to sa mama ko sa Pilipinas. And this one, a winter jumper for Ella. Sorry guys, Francine is still awake and she's also making sound. It's kinda cute. 6 euros, this one. Thick jumper for Ella. And this one again, another one jumper, thick jumper for 6 euros. Guys, suki talaga ako sa Primark. I got again another Argan facial cleanser. Yung 2 for the price of 1 nila kasi gustong gusto ko yun. And this, another thick winter sweater or jumper, or I don't know what is this called, for 11 euros. This one, 11 euros. And I got sleeping wear for Frank. This one, 2 of them. And ang isa nito, sinuot na niya. Sinuot na niya yung isa nito, color red. Yan. It's thick for price of 13 euros. Dalawa yung kinuha ko. So, ito yung pangalawang nakuha ko nabili ko kang Francine guys, yung turtleneck. At ang size na kinuha ko ay 9 to 12 months kasi maliit sa kanya yung 6 to down below na sizes. At since malaki si Francine, 550 euros. Yan lang ang nabili ko ka Francine. And lastly, I think this one. The unicorn sleeping wear for Ella. This is really cute. Look. May paganyan siya. Pa-hoodie siya na unicorn dyan. Just like that. Like that. It's big. So this is for only 15 euros. This one. Okay. That's it, I think. Yeah. And lastly, I don't know what's the name of the store? We got guys no, the name of the store. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng shop, guys. Si Frank yung, alam ni Frank yung
That's
kung
the
anong...
receipt.
No, it's in my wallet. Alam niya yung store na yun eh. Naghanap kasi ako ng blender, guys. Tapos, since kanina, napadaan kami yung sa mga appliances, yung WMF na brand. Naka-on sale siya yung smoothie maker. So instead na bibili sana ako ng blender, nag-smoothie maker na lang ako kasi hindi naman madami yung gagawin kong veggie or whatever for Francine para pag kakain na siya next month, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko kasi itatry ko guys na gumawa ng healthy food for Francine instead of buying ready-made na mga food. So I bought this one. We bought this one. Naka-sale siya guys. From 30 euros, naging 23 euros na lang siya. And it has 2 years warranty. So, that's it. So, I think that's all we got for tonight's or for today's Black Friday on sale guys. Hindi kami nakapunta. Although, hindi kami nakapunta sa ibang stores. Naghahanap actually kami ng bed sheets para sa blanket namin. Pero hindi namin nahanap for some reasons. So, I think that's all for tonight guys. And ayun na guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Madali ang haul lang to guys para maipakita ko lang sa inyo. So ayun na, bye bye guys and thank you for watching. What's that? No, I don't need to mention it. See you on my next video. Bye bye and have a good night.
Bye. Good night. Have a sweet dream.